Good morning, children. How are you all? Did you all finish your worksheets regarding the workout with addition and subtraction? Few statements with working out? Yes. Today we are going to have a small recap on those problems. Okay. And then today's concept will be the estimation and rounding off, which you already know about rounding off and estimating using the rounding off the given sums or given statement sums. That will be our value based applications. Now addition and subtractions. In this addition and subtraction, I have given in the worksheet the keywords for addition, with which you are going to do addition and subtraction on checking out for this keywords. That is more than, added, increased, decreased, increased, exceeds, total, in all, sum of. If you find these words in the sum, you are supposed to add the terms or add the thing in the statement given. Okay, so that will be your clue or keywords. Okay, using that we are going to find few sums. We are going to do few sums in addition, like we have done in the worksheet, last worksheet. Dash hundreds are added to 7,654 to give 7,954. This will be similar to the sum which we discussed in the first video, that is finding the missing terms, finding the missing numbers by skip counting. So here they have skip counted from this to that is from 7,654 to 7,954. With this, how many hundreds they have skipped, they have asked. So from that we are going to find 100 by 100, we are going to count and see how many hundreds we are getting. Okay, that thing is 7,650, starting from 7,654, the next 654 to 754, 100, 754 to 854, 200, and from 854 to this 954, that is 300. So 100, 200 and 300. So our answer will be 300s. Okay, this is very easy, but you should just try to correlate the things which you already know. Maths will be of like that only. You will be using it in more places. Here also the same thing applies. The concept which you learnt already. The concept is nothing but the expansion form, that is expanded form. The sum of dash thousands and dash hundreds is 6,500. So here they have given 6,500. So if you expand this number, you get 6,000s plus 500s. Okay, this is nothing but the answer. The sum of is nothing but adding plus 6,000s plus 500s. This is only our expanded form. So that is only the question asked also. The sum of dash thousands, our answer is 6,000s. And dash hundreds, that is 500s, is 6,500. That's it, that's our answer, right? Yes, very easy. Now next one is keywords for subtraction. This also I have given you in the worksheet for you to work out very easily for the given statement sums or given statements. So these are the keywords: less than, subtracted, remaining, decreased, difference, left. These are the words which you use for subtraction, which will tell you that you are going to subtract the numbers. We are going to find the difference between the numbers. Okay. So with this we are going to find few sums in this. We are going to work out now. So dash subtracted from 6,700 is the same as 150 added to 6,550. Here two set is given. First off is with some calculation, that is equal to, that is the same as they have given, equal to the next set. Next set is nothing but 150 added to 6,550. That I have written in the mathematical form or numerical form. 150 added to 6,550. Any statement given to you, if you write it in this mathematical or numerical form, it will be easy for you to find out the answer very easily. Okay. So now I have written the second part here separately, and first part they have given subtracted, dash subtracted. So dash I don't know. That is subtracted from, if they have given now, it should come second. And from this number will be the biggest number. That is the minuend. Minuend will be the largest number, which comes on top of the vertical subtraction. Okay. So this is minuend, and the subtrahend they are asked. They are asked with subtrahend. So that too I have written like this itself. That is the minuend I have written 6700 minus the question mark, minus dash, or which one will give you this answer. So this you have answer already. So I am going to add this two and see. If I am adding this two, I am getting 6700 over here. And here already you have 6700 minus which number will give you 6700, because we have discussed already that when both sides a set of numbers is given, they should be equal when they are giving same as. They are giving means both sides it should be equal. The equal to comes when same as is given here. So here if it is 6700, then evidently here also it should be 6700 only. Here only we are going to see the rule number 2 in the subtraction applies. That is the property number 2. That is, when a number is subtracted with 0, you get the same number. That is 6700 minus 0 will give you 6700. Or 0 is subtracted from any number, you get the same number. So here 6500 means the other side also will be 6700 only. So that will give you the answer 0 over here. This question mark will become 0 and our answer also will be 0. This is the sum. Okay. Yes. Now next one. This is also the another sum. They have given you 1000 increased by dash once is 1009. Here also increased means, as we know about the keyword, it has to be added plus, and 1000 plus 1 they have given. So here also it will be like just like expanded form, dash 1000 and dash once. In the question also only in the 1000 place we have a number, dash 1000 in thousands place only 1000. So I am written here 1000 plus dash ones. In ones place what I got, 9. 9 ones. So that is only our answer, 1 and 9. So 1000 increased, that is plus, by 1 9 is 1009. Very easy. Okay. So that you will have to correlate. You will have to find out how we can use this with the concepts which we already know. That is only the thing. Okay. Yes. And now next is the estimation and rounding off. Yes. Estimation and rounding off. Here you have estimate by rounding off to the nearest 100. Do not give the actual answer they have given. So if you add directly, that is your actual answer. They are asking no need to give the actual answer. Only the estimated rounded off answer they need. Okay. So now the thing is, now we are going to see how you round off directly. So when they have asked for this rounding off to the 100. Here we are going to find what is half of 100. Half of 100 is 50. Okay. So now we are going to have two slots with us. One slot is, one category is 10, 20, 30, 40. When the number is 10, 20, 30, 40, that is after 100th place. That is tens and ones place only we are going to check. Tens and ones place. So because it is rounding up to the nearest 100, this tens category only we are going to see. That is next place to 100 is tens. If it is in the first slot, that is from 10, 20, 30, 40, the hundreds place will remain the same and the remaining numbers will become 0. When the number in the tens and tens place, that is tens and ones place, that is if it is in which 10 category, that is after 40, that is from 50 to 90, or else 10 to 40. If it is from 10 to 40, it will remain the same. The number will remain the same. Here you have both the categories. So shall we check now? Now in the first sum, this is the hundreds place. So it is written in the pale pink, light pink, and this 87 is dark pink. This 87 only we are going to check. It comes in which tens? 80s. It comes in 80s. 80s comes in the second slot, that is above 50. 50 and above. When it comes above, it will be changed to the next number. So this 4 will change to 5. And the remaining two places, when the number is getting changed, the remaining numbers will be 0 always. So the 4 will become 5 and the 2 remaining numbers will be 0, 0. Keep it in mind. Here we will have 500, I think. Just we'll check. Then we are going to the second number. So here it is 5 and this 14 comes in which tens? 10. It comes in 10. 10, 20, 30, 40 in the first slot. That is below 50, not above. When it is above only, we will be changing to the next number. But it is below 50. That is below, that it comes in the first category. That is 10, 20, 30, 40. So what I am going to do is, I am going to keep the 5 as it is. I am not going to change the number. So the 5 will be the same with 2 zeros. Shall we check the answer? Yes. See what I said? This 87 will become, this will become the 5 and this 5 remaining 2 zeros. Here it will not change, but the zeros will put zeros. So the 5 is come to 5 and these two numbers will be 0, 0. So this is the answer. When you add 500 and 500, you get 1000. So that is our answer. Yes, can you all understand this? Only the under, when it is hundreds, we will see the 10, we will check out for 10 slots. When it is 1000, we will check out for 100 slots. Okay, now we are checking for 10 slots. The first set is over. Now we will check out for further clarification another sum, right? Yes, the next sum will be this. Here you have all thousands. Never mind, thousands, we are not going to disturb thousands. We are going to check out only for hundreds with the tens and ones place. Yes, see, this 1, 2 and 1 will remain the same, so I am not going to change the number. The pink ones will be the same. It will come, it will just carry forward in the answer also. From here only, from the green place only, we are going to check. In that too, we are going to check only with the blue ones, 18, 34 and 81. These two numbers only we are going to check. In which slot it comes? It comes in 10, 20, 30, 40 or else 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, that is 50 and above. So this 80 comes in which slot? Below slot, that is 10, 20, 30, 40. So it is in the first slot. So will remain the same. This 34, it also comes in the first slot till 40. 30 is in before 40. So 30 also comes under first slot. So this also will remain the same. Whereas this 81 comes in the second slot. So when this 81 comes in the second slot, this A6 will change to 7. Okay, shall we check the answer? Yes. See, this remains the same, 1, 300. This 2, this also remains the same, 900. But here only, because of this 81, which is in the second slot, this 6 will become 7. The remaining 2 zeros. Okay, now we are going to add this. Yes, when you add this, you get 7, 9, 3 plus 9 is 12 plus 9, 12 plus 7, 99, 1 remainder, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 5,900. If I am going very fast, if you can't understand, just play it again and check the answer. Do by yourself simultaneously and check your answer so that you can understand very easily. You can get it clarified. Now next sum. This is with subtraction, but the same estimation only will do with the rounding off. Yes, estimate by rounding off to nearest 1000 they are given here. Then everything is all same, but only the 1000 place we are going to change or keep as it is by checking from the hundreds place. As I told already, it comes in which slot? That is, first slot will bear 100, 200, 300, 400, and the second slot will bear 500 and above, that is 500, 600, 700 and 800. Okay, now I am going to check 800, 900. I am going to check now. This 600 is what? Is above. So I am getting 4,000, that is 5,000, because this will get changed. Here it is less, so same. So the answer is 4,000. So here, because of this 600 comes in the second slot, that is above 500, the number in the thousand place will change to next number, that is 5,000. Here this hundreds will be in this first slot, that is before that is below 400. So that is below 500, that is 400, 300, 200 and 100 slot. So it comes in 200. So it will remain the same. The number in the thousand place will remain the same. So it is 1000 only. Here it is 5000 getting changed. So for 5000 minus 1000 is 4000 here. Okay. Now we are going to go to the next, that is the statement sums. Here application based question. I will discuss with you one question. You use this example for the worksheet. I have given you two statement sums which you will have to work out. So here there are 596 boys and 512 girls in the school. Estimate the total number of students in the school by rounding up to the nearest 100. So 596 boys I have highlighted and 512 girls I have highlighted. They are asking us to estimate, that I have highlighted, and the total is the key word which I have highlighted to make it adding. To add, then the nearest to 100 will have to estimate. These are all the keywords which I have highlighted. Now the numbers I am copying with plus because it is total. So to the nearest 100 they have said. So next to 100 space is tens and ones I have marked, I have changed the color for you to understand very easily, to check which it comes in which slot, first slot or second slot. Since this 96 comes in the second slot, the number gets changed. So 5 will change to 6. And this comes in the first slot itself and it is not getting changed. So 5 will remain the same. So here 600, very easy. 600, this is 600 and this is 500 is equal to 1100. Okay? Very easy. You will have to understand the question. That is only very, very important. And the key words which you will have to underline or grab it out to find the answer. Whether it is to be added or subtracted or it is to be estimated to nearest 100, that and all you will have to find. That's it. Otherwise, the application based questions are very, very easy to find out with estimation. Okay, just do it, work it out and find out the answer. Okay, yes, I have given you worksheet only in this estimating and rounding off. Try it out by yourself. Okay, have a nice day. That's all for today. Thank you, children.